Oh, the camera's a little dirty there. People come into our lives for a time and a reason, and sometimes that time and reason ends. But also, sometimes we go for long periods of time without seeing people who had a really big impact on our life. And sometimes they continue to have a really big impact on our life without even spending time with them. And I have two amazing fempreneurs in my life that came into my life very long ago. One a really long time ago, and the other one, about 5 years ago. But they have continued to, talk about me in rooms full of opportunity, send me the most amazing clients. And I barely ever see them anymore. So, one thing about social media and Instagram specifically that people often forget, entrepreneurs often forget, is it's such an incredible relationship building tool or relationship nurturing tool. So not only is it a great place to meet people for the first time, but it's a great place to nurture relationships that maybe with people like the ones I'm describing that you don't see very often. So, and you can do that through DMs. So, posting on social media is one way to use social media as an incredible marketing tool. But don't forget about the power of using that DM feature, that direct messaging feature that's built into all of these social media platforms to wish someone a happy birthday, to say, hey, I was just thinking about you and how you sent me that amazing client who has now become a great friend of mine. And I so appreciate all the support you've given me over the years. And I know I don't say that often enough. So, just wanted to say that. And also to use it as a way to promote them. So if you have friends that have businesses, when you see stuff that they're sharing on their Instagram channel, you can post it over on yours. So use Instagram as a way to nurture relationships. And again, think back and grab your pen and notebook right now and think back to some people that have had a big impact on your life. It could be 5 to 10 years ago. Maybe you haven't seen them in ages, and they introduced you to people that are still in your life today. They're referring clients to you. And when you trace that thread back, it comes back to them. So give them a little bit of love, let them know that you appreciate them, let them know that you don't have to book coffee with them or lunch with them. You don't have to go that far. You can, but definitely reach out to them. So today you're going to use Instagram as a way to nurture relationships by using the DM feature, not by posting something. All right, that's it for our 25 videos. I hope that you've enjoyed these. I hope you share them with your fempreneur friends. And if you need any help at all with your marketing that goes into the more techie things, like, if you're wanting to have a new website built for you or something like that, please reach out to me. I'd love to help you with that. All right, talk to you later. Bye for now.